Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform the factory reset of the NARWAL Freo X Ultra. So we have two methods for this one. The first one, hold the power button for 10 seconds. And if your LED just turn off for a while and turn it on again, that means the robot vacuum is resetted. And now it's turned on. We have also the second option, remove the top cover, and we have the reset hole. So we have to find the thick tool and just push this button for 10 seconds also to reset the network. Reset all the settings in the robot vacuum. So if the appliance just stuck and do not works with the button, do not just react it, just hold the reset button in this place. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.